Jambo na karibu One Horizon.
Hello and welcome to One Horizon.
Our One Horizon safaris are like no others in Kenya.
She's helping me already. Something is not going right.
We take you to visit the Kenya that few tourists ever see.
That's good,
To introduce you to the Kenyan people whom few tourists ever meet. All the people in our communities love visitors.
You will meet amazing women, hear their stories, and share their pride. Because these women, now they are successful business owners.
Most importantly, they're now able to keep their families together. They're happy again.
We can guarantee that you will laugh and have a lot of fun. But you will also find your One Horizon experience very rewarding because you're not only bonding with the people you meet, you are also helping to change their lives.
Maybe your life will change too. Because One Horizon Safaris to the heart of Kenya are also journeys that touch your heart.
Niño mayan paganga, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño rasa sobare, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño mayan alase, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño rasa sobare, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño mayan paganga, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño mayan paganga, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño rasa sobare, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño ya gua paganga, Dio lo gatan kayage, Niño mayan paganga, Dio lo gatan kayage, Yera sera mamusare jumaral ganyo. Yenga ya, iya la yenga ya. Yera sera mamusare jumaral.
With One Horizon, when we first established it many years ago, we always believed that travellers would want to get involved and that would want to be part of our communities. So the work we do is in areas of with grandmothers in Kenya that are very often looking after their grandchildren and who have no means of support. We work with the Maasai community, obviously with women and families generally. So the work that we do is in terms of where, if you have a look at us, we're a humanitarian organisation that established our tour many years ago, and people wanted to become involved and they wanted to see what type of work we did. We're not a charity, nor are we a volunteering organisation, but we are an organisation that takes people down to our communities, relatively unique in terms of very grassroots community work. And in terms of people coming to us, it's not a tour bus experience, it's a very intimate small group experience where you get to actually interact with people that very often in the past didn't get many visitors. And indeed, one of the things we're known for is being, although we're in Nairobi, off the beaten track and in unique experiences. So that's what One Horizon is all about. Many years ago, people used to scratch their head. Today it's called responsible tourism and sustainable travel. And so that's what's kept us busy for over 20 years or more. And in terms of our largest operation is in Kenya. So it's one of those relatively unique. We were picked up by the Kenyan Tourist Board, who thought that our portfolio of tours was so special that they included it in their showcase. So that's where we are today with it. So if there's any questions, I'm only too happy to answer.
Anyone got any questions for Colin? Can we connect with our South Omo Valley tribes and make it a multi-country tour package?
Yes, you can. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, yeah, well, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, Haley Meskel. There we go. Colin, can you give us your website address again, please?
Yes, it's www.onehorizon.net.
Okay, www.onehorizon.net.
Yeah.
Great stuff.
Okay.
All right, I don't hear anybody see any other questions. Come, people, ask him questions. You've got about 10 minutes left. Come on. Ask the man some questions. There we go. How can I follow up on what I've missed? Oh, okay. That I will I will answer. I have posted the video on the event feed, Angela, and also once the video is, or once the session is complete, it is being recorded, so it takes about an hour or so. You should be able to then watch the recording of the session from this program page as well. Okay. Any other questions? Hang on, Derek's asking me a question behind me. One sec. Yeah, Derek's just reminding you, you can go to the One Horizon exhibitor booth and see the video and stuff there as well. And also make a meeting with Colin and chat to him. He's a lovely, friendly man. Talk to him.
Okay, thank you.
All right, it doesn't look like we've got any more questions. Oh, hang on, we've got a Q&A that just come through here. Let me just have a look. Do you only offer Kenya, or do you do other countries in East Africa as well?
No, for tourists, we only actually offer Kenya. Yeah.
You only offer Kenya at this point?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, Angela's just saying, all right, thanks. Cool. All right. Any other questions, anybody? Quickly, you've got 3 seconds before I end. Oh, give us the price range in high and low season, more or less.
It ranges from it ranges from around about $200 to $265, irrespective of season. We're not worried about the seasons, yeah. Okay,
yeah. So you don't worry too much about seasons in Kenya.
No.
Well, tourism season anyway.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah, migration season and summer and winter seasons, I would imagine. Okay.
Yeah, because we have actually just tours all year round, it doesn't matter. The weather's good for us, so it's not the only thing that changes is obviously the hotel cost.
Yeah, but I mean that wouldn't make a huge major difference from your perspective.
No major difference to us. No.
Okay, great. All righty. It looks like what? We're getting another question. Oh, okay. There's another question coming through. I've never been online in this before. I've always just introduced people.
Yeah.
You got me in the public eye, Colin.
There you go.
Okay, what is the cost of a one-day tour in low season? Okay, seasons we mentioned don't really make much of a difference. But okay, what is the cost of a one-day tour in low season?
Yeah, varies between $200 to $265 US. Per person.
That,
yeah, per person.
Yeah, 200 to 260. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. All righty. We've got 10 minutes left. Nobody else want to ask any questions? Yes? No? No questions? Okay.
All good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And yeah, as if there's no more questions, we can end the session. No more questions? No more questions from the peanut gallery behind me? Okay. All right. Colin, once again, thank you so much for joining us, and we will chat again soon. Have a productive show.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.